Welcome to my Q&A video. What is your real name? My real name is Maisha. My favorite color is purple. My bestie's name are like my first bestie's name is Hannah and second bestie's name I can't reveal it on YouTube. Do you hate someone? I don't hate someone. I just hate my siblings. Where do you live? I live in Pakistan. How old are you? I'm sorry, I can't tell you my age. Face reveal. I will do the face reveal when I will get the silver play button. Most probably. Where are you from? I'm from Pakistan, I told you. Do you love your subscribers? Yeah, I love my subscribers. And thank you for subscribing me. Do you have siblings? Yeah, I have two sisters.